Hey, peace everybody. This is Malana Al Hassan. You know, gotta rub my hands together like a rapper. I have a couple of things going on, right? So currently I am working on a couple of projects. For one thing, the projects are mainly focused on business. So I don't know if you all know, but since President Trump is in office, he likes businesses. So the benefits to businesses should be pretty good. Should be, but if not, it is what it is, and you have a business. So my job as a blockchain developer and cybersecurity / blockchain security student, and being in tech period, because now I'm in the AI space, right? AI automation and consultation. My job now is to make videos showing business owners how they can expand in this space, okay? So what you're gonna see me, the channel's being kind of changed from just a little tweak from some blockchain projects to blockchain security and AI automation and consultations, right? So one of the first videos I'm gonna do is gonna be on mainly optimization for businesses. If you're a business, it can apply for the local area I'm in, or it can apply to you as an individual business. So that would be my first video, okay? So it should be pretty good, pretty detailed, more so talking. I think it'll be more talking and demonstrations. I've seen a lot of video with a lot of extra fluff in it. I'm gonna go right for the head with this, so stay tuned, all right? And I'm gonna get this done. So peace.